Want to make your Canva designs pop and grab attention? I'm going to show you how to seamlessly embed YouTube videos directly into your Canva projects in under 90 seconds. First, head over to Canva and either open an existing design or create a new one. For this example, I'm going to start with a blank presentation template. Next, look to the left side of your screen and find the Apps section. It's usually located towards the bottom of the left-hand menu. Click on Apps. Now, in the search bar that appears, type YouTube and hit Enter. You'll see the YouTube app icon appear. Click on it, then click the Use button. This connects the YouTube app to your Canva account. A search bar will now appear within your Canva design. Here, you can either paste the URL of the YouTube video you want to embed, or search for a video using keywords. Once you find the video you want, simply click on its thumbnail. The video will automatically be inserted into your Canva design. Now, you can resize and reposition the video just like any other element in Canva. Click and drag the corners to change its size, and click and drag the entire video box to move it around your design. And that's it. Your YouTube video is now embedded in your Canva design. When you present your design or share it digitally, viewers can click the play button to watch the video directly within Canva. It's a fantastic way to add dynamic content to presentations, social media posts, or educational materials. Go ahead and try it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks.